Hi, I'm Chris with Eleos Creative, and today we're going to talk about how you can customize one of the logo packets that we sell. So let's go ahead and click Start. You can see there's a couple different in this packet. So we'll just scroll through them, take a look. These last three are made with a clear background to make it easier to export as a PNG. So let's go ahead and edit this one. I'm going to click on this, going to ungroup them. Now I'm going to make these flowers orange. I've really been going for orange, but it might be just a little bit too bright. So you can go over here and lower the opacity so it blends in behind the text. Next up, we'll go ahead and edit the text and change the color. I'm thinking we're going to try a purple. I'll apply that to the other text, and there you go. Now you can check up here when you download. You can do PNG, transparent background, JPEG, PDF. It's all right there.